This is probably the biggest haul I've ever done here on my channel. That reminds me of like a candle, like an apple cinnamon candle. Can you tell I'm excited? Now, the moment you guys have been waiting for, the giveaway. Oh, cool. So we just filmed with a Diet Coke in the background. Hopefully my head was covering it. Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing my Sephora Spring Savings Event haul. This is an annual event that Sephora does every spring around April, and they basically give percentage off for Sephora members. So if you are an insider, which basically is anybody when you start purchasing at Sephora, you start out as an insider, you get 10% off. As a VIB, it is 15% off, and then Rouge, you get 20% off. Also, the dates start earlier for Rouge members, then VIB, and then Beauty Insiders. So it's a really exciting event because you obviously save money on your favorite items or trying new things, and I have a massive haul right here for you guys. I got a ton of new stuff. It's also lining up perfectly. The sale came at a perfect time because so many new things have been launched in the last month. I wanted to get this video out like over a week ago. Like I placed an order on April 1st, which was when the sale started for Rouge members. And then I ended up placing another order the next week because I decided to spend more money. I got my second order actually before I even got my first order, and the majority of the first order actually still hasn't come in the mail. I don't know what's going on. I've been contacting Sephora. It could either be the post office, it could be so that the parcel's lost. We don't know yet, but I'm gonna try to figure that out. And there's a good amount of products still coming. So we're gonna have a part 2 of this Sephora Spring Savings Event haul. So today we are going to be talking about the products I have currently, which is still a ton, and then there's more to come as well. So all together with both packages, both orders, this is probably the biggest haul I've ever done here on my channel. If you're interested in finding out what I got for the Sephora Spring Savings Event, then keep on watching. Also, keep watching to the end of the video as I do have a giveaway today. Let's just kind of dive in. I never know where to start. One of the products that I did get, this is a repurchase. This is a product that I swear by, that I love, and that I will always have, especially as a makeup artist, is the Cinema Secrets professional grade makeup brush cleaner. Now this is the 16 fluid ounce bottle. I typically get the 32, which is significantly more. The bottle's massive, and it's also a much better deal, but it was out of stock, of course. Nonetheless, I still got it, and as I said, this is the best brush cleaner ever, especially for if you're a makeup artist or if you're somebody who is a very last minute brush cleaner. I'm bad for that, but I also am a makeup artist, so it's nice to have one like this that dries instantly. Like you can clean your brushes and use them right away. So as I said, for a makeup artist, like I don't have to bring 6 sets of brushes. I can just bring one and then clean them and then use them on the next client. It also has an incredible smell that it leaves on the brush. It's like a vanilla. Swear by it, love it. The next product I'm so pumped about, and that is the Glow Recipe Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Serum. So I've actually, no, that's a lie. I have tried stuff from Glow Recipe. I've tried their moisturizer. It was the banana one. Wasn't the largest fan of that specific product. I do really like their dewy spray for like a little spritz of hydration, but I haven't really tried a whole lot of their skincare. You know, the products that they're like most well known and loved for, I still haven't tried them. And so when I saw this one here, it's brand new. So I'm going to be testing it and sharing my results with you, but it's also just something that I think fits my skin tone and my needs better. Clarifying and retexturing. It has 2% BHA, salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to reveal smoother, even skin texture, clears the blemish prone skin through exfoliation, and they have the most adorable, stunning appealing packaging. So I am pumped to try this. I'm hoping that it's going to be life-changing for my skin, as I do suffer with blemish prone, but very like congested and textured skin. So hopefully this can help. The next product that I have is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Foundation. So this is brand new as well, or pretty brand new. And it is a skin-loving skincare hybrid foundation with medium buildable coverage. It is supposed to provide antioxidant boost, balance hydration and moisture. It's supposed to just look really like beautiful on the skin. Heard good things, and I've also never tried anything from Danessa Myricks, and I've heard great things. So I'm pumped about this. I like the packaging too. Like, isn't that just so cute? And what I also love about it, you can obviously pull the top off, or sort of twist the top off. Oh, it's a little dropper. What I love, what I'm trying to get at here, what I love about it is it's refillable. So these little plastic tubes here, you can pop out and then just order the tube. So it's a cheaper way to repurchase if I do really like it. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one, especially considering I have never tried Danessa Myricks before. I also, from Danessa Myricks, got one of the Twin Flames multi-chrome pigments for eyes and face. So this is another brand new product, again, from Danessa Myricks, and I just die over everything metallic from the brand. Their eyeshadow palettes, the highlights, the like the chrome flakes, and then this one. And this was the one that really drew me in. So it is a basically liquid eyeshadow. So I got it in the shade Star Ruby because, as you can see, it just has, it's like a duochrome. It has the most stunning shift. Let's do a little swatch here. Look at that. Feels really nice and lightweight. Ooh. Oh, I am pumped. So definitely excited to be testing those products. I have a cream blush from Morphe. So this is new as well. It is the Blush Balm Soft Focus Cream Blush. So it's supposed to melt into your cheeks for a velvety sheer to buildable matte color that is formulated with super moisturizing Maru Maru and Kupaku butter, which is both products I think are in the Physicians Formula products. Like that's like the Maru Maru bronzer. So that's interesting. And then that is the shade. I did get the shade Notoriously Neutral, as I don't know, I just love everything neutral. I'm a neutral skin type, so everything neutral just attracts me. My hands are really dry. I don't do products justice, but it does kind of have that blurry like sensation on the skin and look. So hopefully it will be really nice. And all of these products will be tested here on my channel, aside from like things like this. We're not going to test it. I already know. Everything else though, aside from this, is new. We will be testing everything on my channel, whether it be a dedicated video or a testing new products video. So don't forget to subscribe down below if you want to see any of these products reviewed. That way you won't miss my upcoming videos. The next product is from Milk Makeup, and that is the Bionic Bronzer. So I haven't tested a whole ton of Milk Makeup. Tested the mascara recently, and I do enjoy that. But in terms of makeup, I actually haven't tested a ton. And so when I saw this, I'm like, I've never really tried a liquid bronzer. So here we are in the shade Time Travel. I believe it was the lightest one. It's supposed to have skincare superpowers, hydrating liquid bronzer for a natural looking sun-kissed effect. It's 90% natural, infused with mushroom extracts, hyaluronic acid, and vegan plant-derived collagen. So Milk Makeup's definitely known for its super clean formulas, which is incredible. Oh yeah, that's a nice shade for my fair skin. Ooh, and it's definitely a different formula than anything I've ever tried. So I'm curious to see how that will actually turn out. We also have from Merit the new lipstick. So if you've seen my channel before, I did a video reviewing basically everything from the brand, and Merit came out with a actual lipstick, and before they only had the oils. And so I was very curious about this. Ooh, look at the packaging. Like, just stunning. Merit is another brand that has very clean, reliable formulas. It's supposed to be hydrating, buildable with a soft satin finish, but be very lightweight, which is something that I really honestly look for in products. Ooh, this just looks so luxe, does it not? Ooh, this looks very luxe. And this is in the shade Baby, which is again another like very neutral shade. That's the shade Baby there. So we will see, is it actually lightweight? I don't know. We have the Patrick Ta Major Volume Plumping Gloss. This is one that I've heard really good things. It's relatively new still as well. And this is supposed to be basically just a juicy, volumizing, beautiful lip gloss. So I got it in the shade Superficial. Patrick Ta, I mean, I honestly haven't been let down by him yet. Look at how stunning, just like beautiful packaging. Everything so far has been stunning. I'm so tempted to try it now, but no, we're gonna wait for a review video. But that's like a nice sheer kind of beigey tan. Ooh, that's an interesting smell. Not what I expected. Oh, now it's on my nose. That reminds me of like a candle, like an apple cinnamon candle. Interesting. Definitely not what I expected. We also have the KVD Good Apple Lightweight Full Coverage Concealer. This is still new, still pretty new. It's supposed to be crease resistant, no cake, full coverage, so it doesn't get cakey, infused with apple extract to help nourish the skin. I have the worst time opening things. Does anybody else have that problem? I still don't have my nails. I have a nail appointment though. So you'll be watching this on Monday. I'm getting it this Thursday, my nails. So probably my next couple videos will have no nails, but then we're gonna have the nails back, baby. So this is the packaging. I do really like the packaging of this. It's so different and cute. It almost looks like it's a dropper, but it's not. Like very deceiving. But not in a bad way. Oh, it's pretty light. So this is definitely gonna be a brightening one. She's pretty light. I never know. It's so hard when you order online, but I think it'll still work. And then we have another concealer, the new Lawless Conceal the Deal Full Coverage Concealer. So this one is supposed to be long wearing, lightweight, buildable to full coverage, soft focus finish, feels fresh, comfortable, and virtually undetectable on the skin. Corrects, brightens, blurs, and highlights with a creamy formula that feels smooth and nearly weightless upon application. Does that not sound like the best thing you've ever heard? Pretty much. I've been pretty impressed with the things I've tested from Lawless. Hasn't been a whole ton. So I'm excited to be testing this one. This shade, just for comparison, it's a little more yellow than the KVD one, but definitely excited. I mean, I say it every product, but I really truly am excited about every single product here. And I'm so mad that I don't have everything here to show you. I'm so upset that this happened, but that's okay. It makes for more fun because now you get to watch 2 videos where I unbox my haul, right? So the last product in today's haul, we still have like at least 6 more things coming. I think 6 or 7 more things. Is the Huda Beauty Face Cheek Color Complexion Brush. This is the brush that is launched with the new cheek, the cream blush sticks. I may have gotten one of those. But this one is the brush, and I have decided I need to start testing new brushes more often because I've realized a lot of my brushes are getting older. I don't have anything super new. Honestly, the last few times I've tested a new brush, I've been like in love with it. So like I need to start testing more brushes. And I'm curious, like, will it be usable for foundation or just cream blush, like contour? Ooh, let's see. So this is the brush. I got some makeup on it, sorry. Yeah, it says face and cheek color, so it's pretty. It has like a kind of see-through clear that I've already gotten dirty handle, like rose gold, and then I believe it has natural brush bristles, not synthetic. Feel natural, but still very soft. So that is the last product of today. I am very excited, as I said, to test these and to share my experience with you guys. Yeah, I'm very, very pumped. I don't know, I should have done a count of how many times I said I'm so excited. Can you tell I'm excited? But I really am. So I will be testing each and every little product, aside from the brush cleaner, in this box for you guys. So stay tuned for some super exciting videos. I honestly haven't been reviewing as much lately because I'm like, I don't really like anything that's been coming out, and there's really not been a lot, but this is so like, it's like a refresh. We're out of the rut and we got a ton of new product to test, and there's more to come. Now, the moment you guys have been waiting for, the giveaway. So for today's giveaway, which turned out to be a MAC themed giveaway. P.S. This giveaway is not sponsored or affiliated in any way with MAC, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, anything. Just me, myself, and I. Wow, I'm out of breath. I just ran up to get this because I forgot it. Whew. Whew. Breathe, Caitlin, breathe. Oh, cool. So we just filmed with a Diet Coke in the background. Hopefully my head was covering it. First is the MAC and Lisa collaboration that launched in December. I hummed and hawed. Do I want to get anything? I was going to get all of it. Then I wasn't going to get any of it. Then I ended up purchasing this when I did the New Year collection a couple months ago. And then I realized, like, number one, I don't need another MAC highlight. Number two, it's not really worth reviewing on its own. So I was like, you know what? This works out perfect. We'll just save it for a giveaway. I just was sucked in because it's so stinking beautiful. I mean, the packaging, I'll pop up a picture because I'm obviously not going to open it since it's not mine. It's one of yours. It looks absolutely stunning, and the actual embossment on it is really beautiful. It's a beautiful product, and I absolutely love and stand by MAC's Extra Dimension Skin Finish highlights. There's some of the best highlights out there. So this will be the first product in today's giveaway that you will potentially win. And then the next product is something actually from the holiday collection. It is a kit. It comes with 3 products. The first product is the MAC Prep and Prime Lip Base. So it's basically like a lip balm or a lip primer. I do actually really enjoy it. It is full size. It also comes with a mini of the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, which is one of my favorite setting sprays. It's so universal. I think everybody can use it and love it and have use for it. And then the last one is the MAC Studio Fix Mattifying 12-Hour Shine Control Primer. It is full size. Nice, incredible products that I stand by in this giveaway. I'm really excited to be giving it to, as I said, to one of you guys. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. You have to be a subscriber to enter into today's giveaway. So hit the subscribe button down below and comment on this video sharing with me the product that I showed you in today's haul that you're most excited to see me review. They'll also all be linked down below in case you forget. Comment down below which one you are most excited to see me review. Don't forget in the comment below when you enter this giveaway to also include your TikTok username if you are interested in bonus entries, as I won't know who you are over on TikTok to add the bonus entry. So you may miss out on your bonus entries if you forget to include your TikTok username. So for the bonus entries, all you have to do is follow the link in the description box down below and follow me over on TikTok, and the pinned video at the top will be the giveaway announcement. You just have to comment tagging a minimum of 1 person, maximum 4. So there will be a total of 5 entries allowed per person. And this is an international giveaway, so everybody's welcome to enter. Quick little review, subscribe to my channel, comment on this video your favorite product that you're most excited about in today's video, also your username for TikTok if you're interested in bonus entries. Then go over to TikTok, follow me, and comment on the giveaway announcement there, tagging a minimum of 1 person, maximum of 4 people. So that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed. Good luck to each and every one of you that enters. I appreciate all of you for supporting my channel, and this is a little thank you from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for all the exciting videos to come, all these reviews, hauls, all the exciting stuff to come. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.